Spain is a fantastic place to learn English. It is a country known for its warm people, delicious food, and rich history. Imagine studying English while enjoying sunny beaches, stunning mountains, and lively cities. That's what Spain offers, a unique blend of learning and leisure. Learning English in Spain allows you to immerse yourself in a new culture while mastering the language. You can practice your English with locals and fellow learners in a relaxed, welcoming environment. Spain's laid-back atmosphere provides the perfect setting to learn at your own pace and gain confidence. Learning English in Spain unlocks a deeper understanding of its vibrant culture. With English, you can communicate with locals, read Spanish literature and translation, and fully appreciate the country's history and art. Imagine discussing Spanish art with a local in their language. English makes it possible. English opens doors to understanding Spain's cultural nuances, like the concept of sobremesa, the leisurely time spent after a meal chatting and connecting with family and friends. By experiencing these traditions firsthand, you'll gain a richer understanding of Spanish life. Spain is famous for its colorful festivals, each offering a glimpse into its passionate spirit. La Tomatina, the world's biggest tomato fight, is a chaotic celebration held in Buñol. Thousands gather to throw tomatoes at each other in a giant, juicy free-for-all. Another iconic event is the Running of the Bulls in Pamplona. Brave runners test their mettle by racing alongside bulls through the city streets. These festivals, while exhilarating, are just a taste of Spain's vibrant cultural tapestry. Spaniards are passionate about football, and experiencing a live match is unforgettable. The atmosphere is electric, with fans chanting and cheering for their teams. Iconic clubs like Real Madrid and FC Barcelona draw huge crowds and showcase world-class talent. Beyond football, Spain offers a variety of sporting events. From basketball to cycling, there's something for everyone. Attending these events provides a fantastic opportunity to practice your English while immersing yourself in the excitement of Spanish sports.